start today's video with a disclaimer. But Grishma, why do you need a disclaimer for a recipe video? Great question, thank you for asking. I made this video about easy Thanksgiving recipes because I'm assuming that you're being responsible and not visiting your family or anyone outside of your immediate household. And maybe you don't want to make a 20-course meal for you and your roommates. But Thanksgiving is one of the more grotesque American holidays. I mean, we're celebrating a time when a bunch of European colonists came to North America and they were gonna die because they ran out of food, and the Native Americans were like, hey, we don't want you to die, here, have some food. And then the colonists said, thanks, and then committed genocide on 2 continents. Like, it's very weird that we celebrate this, so I just need to say 3 things and then we'll get on with the recipes. Number 1, Christopher Columbus and any other genocidal colonists are burning in hell. Number 2, now is a great time to donate money or time to your local indigenous organizers. They're working on everything from voting rights to environmental policies, and they're not just doing this in the United States, this is happening all over the world. If you're not sure where to find them, I will leave a link below. And number 3, we are in the middle of a global pandemic that is only getting worse, and taking the time to reflect on what you're grateful for is really important in maintaining your mental health. So even if you don't celebrate Thanksgiving like I do, I hope you'll still take the time to reflect on what you're grateful for and what's sustaining you right now. So with that disclaimer out of the way, let's go ahead and get into some food.